Hi students, good morning. We'll start with today's session. We have set 3 today. So you'll come across similar types of questions, but we'll follow the same pattern. We'll go ahead with asking each one of you students to answer one question. So I guess we can start with question number 4, which, the first 3 questions were of reading comprehension, so we'll probably do that a little later in coming few classes, but now we'll look at fill in the blanks and other similar questions. So let's start. Can we start with Venkat Pathuri? Can you answer question number 4? Yeah. Put down the light and slept. What is the logic of that?
Turn off the light.
So to put down something means to turn off. Put down means to physically keep something down. That's the meaning. But you are actually talking about switching the light off, correct? Put out is the correct phrasal verb to be used over here. Good, fine, all right. Next, Sangeeta Priya. Can you hear me? Sangeeta Priya? Not answering. Anjali? Anjali, can you hear me? Okay, Anjali, can you answer this question number 5? It's jumbled sentences. I don't know. Your mic is not proper, huh? Okay, no problem. You can send a message in the chat box, no problem. Can you tell me, according to the flow, how to change the sequence of sentences so the flow is pretty good? A, C, B, D. Very good. Good answer. So the flow is the director walks inside the room, all the managers look at him, and then one particular guy, Mitch, wanted to scream because of the scene, and then finally he walked out of the room. Fine. Good. Thank you, Anjali. Right. Next question. Okay, we'll just do one of these questions, jumbled sentences. We'll go to question number 7. Let me ask Nitin Kumar. Nitin Kumar, can you answer question number 7? Nitin, are you there? Not listening. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Nitin, can you answer question number 7? Very good. I have been studying is, can you tell me what tense this is? Past perfect or present perfect continuous? Present perfect continuous tense. That is why you are talking about time of, this is a time frame, isn't it? 3 years is a time frame. So you use time frames for present perfect continuous tense. Very good. Fine. Okay. So for question number 8, Manikanta, can you answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bickering, do you know the meaning of bickering? Bickering means unnecessarily shouting, kind of annoying shouting. Only one fill up. This is one blank, that's all. See now see here it is walked out of the room. Okay, walked out is already past tense. Okay, now before this guy walked out of the room only this bickering happened. Am I right? So when you already have some instance of an action that happened in the past, okay, this is already past tense. So something that happened even before that has to be mentioned in past perfect tense. You remember I had told you in last class or the class before that how to use past perfect tense? When you want to specially mention that one action happened long time ago, you use past perfect tense. Correct? So you have to use had. Okay? Yeah, no problem. What is the problem with that? I'll explain it to you in Notepad. Okay, just hold on. Just let me just increase the font size. Okay, see, just hold on one second. Now here, this is past perfect tense, correct? Where eaten is the verb and had is the auxiliary verb. Am I right? Okay. Now if you make this into simple past tense, I ate an apple. Okay. So this is what you are supposed to mention in simple past tense. Am I right? Okay. Now here since it is an apple, you have to mention eaten. But if I change this to lunch, can you eat lunch? You say, see here also if I change this to lunch, okay, instead of ate, I have to put I had lunch. Correct? So this actually means ate. Am I right? But you don't say I ate lunch. You don't eat lunch. You have lunch. Correct? So similarly over here, instead of this eaten, I use had. So this auxiliary verb remains the same in past perfect. But this had actually means eaten. Do you understand? So you can use two hads. That's not a problem. Similarly, he had enough of bickering means he had, had in the sense, you would say that he had tolerated enough of the bickering. That's what you mean to say over here. Okay, that's the logic. Now next, anyone else? Pavita. Pavita, do you know the meaning of boorish? Anybody else? Meaning of boorish? Very rude person, a person who does not have politeness. So what would be the answer from these four? Very good, excellent, fine, nice. What about this also? I will leave it to everyone. What about blith? Does anyone know the meaning of blith? Casual or carefree, careless. All these are the meanings of blith. Very good, excellent. Question number 11, I think I can give it to someone. Pooja Natarajan. Pooja Natarajan. Yeah. Yeah. Can you answer question 11? Yeah, but FDI has already clarified its role. It's over. Event is over. It has to be C. We held on to our profit until FDI clarified its role. Okay. So you're supposed to find out what the other tenses are also in the sentence and then take a call. Okay. Right. Next, let me ask Rajesh. Hello, Rajesh. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you answer question number 12?
Optimistic.
No, see, the logic is, what do you mean by but? Obviously, over here, you need to have something opposite of intelligent because you have a but.
Yes, sir.
Correct? So, what can be opposite of intelligent? See, these are all positive words. Optimistic, generous, idealistic, all these are positive. So that is how you find out. When you have a but anywhere, you need to use the opposite. Okay. Right. Okay, I leave this question also to everyone. Does anyone know the meaning of ignoble? But they are asking opposite of ignoble. Meaning of ignoble, your answer is right, but ignoble means not worthy. Okay? Some useless fellow. That's an ignoble fellow. Okay? So opposite is worthy. Right. Next, what about nefarious? Does anyone know the meaning of nefarious? I'm just asking the meaning, don't tell the opposite. Does anyone know the meaning? Yeah, a criminal, wicked fellow, cruel fellow. So what can be the answer? What is the opposite? Opposite of wicked or cruel has to be a good person, correct? So, a benign person is a good person, a wise person. Okay? That is opposite of nefarious. Okay, let's go to question 15. Let me put it to Rohit. Rohit, can you answer question 15? Moreover, the end of TCS came. Why, man? What is the sense of putting moreover? Moreover means also. How does that fit over here? With the end of TCS, with or along with. With the end of TCS came hard time for these two. Right. Fine. Question number 16. Let me put it to Uday Kiran. Uday Kiran? Yeah. Very good. My parents have been married for over 5 years. Very easy question actually. Okay. 17. Vijay Kumar, can you answer? See, what you have to understand here is, do you have a view to do something or view of doing something? Which is sounding better? You always have a view of something, isn't it? Very, very simple. Yeah, so that's how you find this out. Okay, let me see question number 18. Can I ask Ritika? Ritika, can you hear me? Yeah, can you answer question 18? Serfs are actually, kind of farmers who are put under a rule. Okay, they do not have the freedom. So those are serfs. Here they are asking you whether you need to replace this particular place or not. Not into. Join the princess in crushing. Yeah. You join someone in doing something. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Good. What about 19? Can I ask Ranjit? Okay. Ranjit, can you answer question 19? This is sentence error. Yeah. This is the sentence. A, B, C and D. 4 parts.
Start from tomorrow.
Correct. This fourth part is wrong. It has to be, see, because having worked, here it says you could have taken rest. Correct? So this has to be changed to started. Okay? Yeah. Right. Question 20. Last question. Let me put it to Sangeeta Priya S. Can you answer? Sangeeta Priya. Not responding. Okay, so somebody else. Niveda, can you answer? Yeah. Do you feel anything is wrong with this sentence? Actually, this part is wrong. You have to change it to, whenever you have if and you use an I, you have to use were. Just remember this. If I were doing something, it's always like that. Okay? Because it is it's a questionable situation. If I were a police person, a policeman, then I would do this. So that's how it goes. Whenever you see if and I, always put were. Okay, that is the problem there. Okay, so for today, the number of questions is over. So we'll see a few more questions in the next few classes. So I'll just take your attendance now and we'll wind up for today. Versus CCD. Okay. Okay, quickly give me your attendance, please. Nidish, not there. Nisha Banu, Nitish Kumar M, Niveda is there. Bhavani Prasad,
Present, sir.
Mohan Krishna, Om Prakash, Srikanth, Naveen, Padmashri, Dilip Kumar, Nitin Kumar, Vijay Kumar, Manoj Kumar, not there. Srilata, Venkat Pichaya,
Present, sir.
Pavitra,
Yes, sir.
Balaji. Pavitra, this is your first? Oh, sorry. Pavitra is here. Okay. Balaji Sai? Not there. Pavitra, you didn't attend many sessions in between.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bhavya? Venkat Rohit?
Yes, sir.
Sai Monica? Venkat Sai Monica. Giripriya? Pavita?
Yes, sir.
Venkatesh? Naveen? Sai Krishna? Pooja A 219. Hello, 219, are you there? Okay. 220,
Yes, sir.
221, 222. Leah. Pujita.
Present, sir.
Okay. Monica. Praveen V. Praveena. Praveena is there, huh? Okay. Preetish. Rajesh.
Present, sir.
Pushpanjali. Manikanteshwar. Guru Teja.
Sir.
Rahul.
Sir, Gurudev, present, sir.
Okay, ma, I have marked. Rahul. Rajesh Kumar. Rajesh Kumar, not there. Ramya. Ranjit.
Present, sir.
Uday Kiran. Ranjit. 243. Okay. Renuka Devi.
Present, sir.
Reshma. Ritika.
Present, sir.
Rohit. Rushi Preeta. Sadhana. Sangeeta Priya. B.
Present, sir. Sir, Sadhana present, sir. 249.
Okay. Sangeeta Priya B. 250 is there.
Yes, sir.
251. Leah. Sanjay.
Sir, 251 present, sir.
Okay. 235. Venkat Karthik Reddy. Reddy Lokesh. Naidu. Sanjay. Sandhya.
Present, sir.
Okay. Did I miss anyone? Attendance? No? Okay. That's all for today's session. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.